Listen, you guys, we have a project that is revolutionizing decentralized lending with non-custodial liquidity pools, and it is called Mutum. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to what is known as Mutum. And I'm telling you guys right now, you can maximize earnings and you can do this with minimizing your effort. We got lend, borrow, contribute, and earn with Mutum. I like that a lot. You guys will see right here. Looks like we got a massive sale, right? Phase 5 currently going on. You're going to be able to easily sign up and connect your wallet, right? Kind of put it that way. But I want you guys to understand, it looks like we got verified. I like that by Certic. That's pretty dope. And it looks like we got a lot of other things that are passing here. So maybe they have a lot of press releases, okay? So you guys will see right here, we got Mutum. This is a decentralized, non-custodial liquidity protocol that enables users to engage as lenders, borrowers, or liquidators. So how exactly does this work? All right. Well, lenders deposit their crypto assets into Mutum liquidity pools to earn interest, while borrowers can obtain over-collateralized loans by securing them with sufficient collateral. Okay, that makes sense. So go ahead and break it down. We got lenders contribute to liquidity by depositing cryptocurrencies into a pooled contract. And currently, borrowers can access these funds by providing collateral within the same contract. This system does not require individual loan matching, but instead operates based on the collective pool of funds and the associated collaterals in borrowing. So just kind of breaking it down for you guys, we're talking about a decentralized, non-custodial liquidity pools. We got lenders basically deposit crypto and they can actually earn interest, which makes sense. Borrowers, they get over-collateralized loans. And I want you guys to understand, whenever it comes to the interest rates, just dynamically based on what? Well, the market, right? Because there's continuously a fluctuation. So if we take a look here, you guys can see we have what is known as a peer-to-peer contract model. So basically, this is a model that connects lenders to borrowers via a shared liquidity pool. And we have peer-to-peer model. So basically, this model allows users directly to lend and borrow more speculative assets like Pepe or Shiba while preserving the protocol's overall security. And then we even have what is known as variable and stable borrow rates. Mutum offers users the option to choose between variable and stable borrow rates to best meet their preferences and provide greater predictability for those who desire it. And we even have passive dividend yield. So technically, users can passively receive dividends derived from the platform's profits. And we have what is known as the Mutum token. So technically, Mutum purchases its native token, Mutum, at market price and distributes it to users who contribute to the platform's security. So I want you guys to understand, whenever it comes to the liquidators, they do help maintain the pool health. There is no individual loan matching needed. The reserve factor, this actually ensures liquidity buffer. And I want you guys to understand, we're talking about something that is transparent, permissionless, and finance. So we got non-custodial, multi-chain, instant liquidity, collateral deposits, security audit, and we have open source. Tokenomics, so you guys can see the overall breakdown here, 4 billion tokens. Here's the overall breakdown. So the pre-sale, majority of it is going to the community, which is good. And then you guys can see liquidity, shortfall reserve, ecosystem growth, liquidity, mining, and incentives. We have partnership, incentives, and giveaways, and we even have team and founders. If you're looking to get started, all you gotta do is click right here, connect wallets. So for example, we can just use our MetaMask, boom, easy and simple, right? And you're gonna be able to put in the amount that you want to buy, and you can see how much you're gonna get. And we got how to buy, and then they have a 100K giveaway. And I'm telling you guys right now, that right there sounds great. All right, this is on Glean. So you got to do some things to be participating. Total entries, massive amounts. Mutuum Finance, you guys. Big opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, something else that I would like to briefly mention is going to be the documents, or if you like to call it, the white paper. All right, so if we take a look here, you guys will see that they do provide an overview. We got the FAQs, concepts, a lot of important things, right? Like liquidity protocol. You got the supply, borrow, withdrawal, stablecoins, empty tokens, and and liquidations. So obviously all these are very important, especially whenever it comes to this project. So you get a better understanding of exactly how things work. So you guys will see right here, they talk about protocol stability. You guys will see right here, asset integration process, protocol safeguards and parameter framework. We got market volatility and liquidity. We got price discovery, address screening and wallet blocking, bug bounty program, client security, prevention of potential insolvency. We got model parameters and mitigating liquidity risk for MT tokens. Then it kind of just continues from there. So interest rate model, we got stable interest rate model. We got principal, multi-asset collateralization, autonomous minting, interest and discount rates, issuers, right, and more. So I just need you guys to understand there is definitely a big opportunity here, as mentioned, whenever it comes to this project. I'm going to highly recommend, there's probably a lot more here than what I'm telling you in this video. So dive down into the documents, into the white paper. You're definitely going to find everything that you need down below. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you will, please let me know exactly what you think about this project. Mutum, I have to admit, I like it. It's great and it sounds secure. We got lending, we got borrowing, we got liquidators, we got everything. Not only that, you guys, it's all in a secure place. Smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Do you agree? You think it's great? You think it's awesome? What do you think? Most importantly, check out the links down below in that description. We'll see you in the next video.